installation. Database engine services is actually installed. Browser server, replication, SQL browser, SQL writer, client tools SDK. Now we might need to install management. So what I will do here, tools as well. That thing as install management. Download. It's not. It might need.